Becoming a successful person requires a combination of mindset, habits, and actions. Here are some of the best ideas to help you achieve success in life. 1. Define your version of success. Success means different things to different people. Define what success looks like for you, whether it's financial freedom, personal growth, helping others, or achieving a specific goal. Action step: write down your goals and what success means to you. 2. Set clear goals. Break down your long-term vision into smaller, actionable goals. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound to set goals. Action step: create a 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year plan. 3. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities and intelligence can improve with effort and learning. Embrace challenges and learn from failures. Action step: replace "I can't" with "I can't yet." 4. Build strong habits. Success is the result of daily habits, not one-time actions. Focus on habits like waking up early, exercising, reading, and planning your day. Action step: start with one small habit and build from there. 5. Continuously learn and improve. Invest in yourself through books, courses, podcasts, and mentors. Stay curious and open to new ideas. Action step: dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learning something new. 6. Take action and be consistent. Success comes from consistent effort over time. Avoid procrastination and take the first step, even if it's small. Action step: use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. 7. Surround yourself with positive influences. Your environment and the people around you shape your mindset and habits. Surround yourself with motivated, supportive, and successful individuals. Action step: join communities or groups that align with your goals. 8. Manage your time effectively. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and eliminate distractions. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, and time blocking. Action step: identify your big rocks, most important tasks, and tackle them first. 9. Embrace failure and learn from it. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Action step: after a setback, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? 10. Stay disciplined and patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed to your goals, even when progress feels slow. Action step: celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. 11. Take care of your health. Physical and mental health are the foundation of success. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious food, and prioritize sleep. Action step: start with a 10-minute daily workout or meditation practice. 12. Be adaptable and open to change. The world is constantly changing, and successful people adapt quickly. Be willing to pivot when necessary and embrace new opportunities. Action step: regularly evaluate your strategies and adjust as needed. 13. Give back and help others. True success includes making a positive impact on others. Share your knowledge, mentor others, and contribute to your community. Action step: find a cause you are passionate about and volunteer or donate. 14. Stay focused on your priorities. Avoid distractions and stay focused on what truly matters. Learn to say no to things that don't align with your goals. Action step: identify your top 3 priorities for the day and focus on them. 15. Believe in yourself. Self-confidence is key to overcoming challenges and achieving success. Replace self-doubt with positive affirmations and self-belief. Action step: write down 3 things you are proud of accomplishing. 16. Network and build relationships. Success often depends on the relationships you build. Network with like-minded individuals and maintain strong connections. Action step: reach out to one person in your network each week. 17. Stay humble and grateful. Success is sweeter when you remain grounded and appreciate what you have. Practice gratitude daily to stay positive and motivated. Action step: keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you are thankful for every day. 18. Take risks and step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Action step: identify one fear holding you back and take a small step to overcome it. 19. Focus on solutions, not problems. Successful people are problem solvers. Instead of complaining, focus on finding solutions. Action step: when faced with a challenge, ask yourself, what's one thing I can do to improve this situation? 20. Never give up. Persistence is the key to success. Keep going even when things get tough. Action step: remind yourself of your why whenever you feel like quitting. Bonus: daily success habits. Morning routine: start your day with purpose, example, meditation, exercise, planning. Evening routine: reflect on your day and prepare for tomorrow. Lifelong learning: dedicate time to personal and professional growth. Gratitude practice: appreciate what you have and stay positive. Success is a journey, not a destination. By implementing these ideas and staying committed to your goals, you'll be well on your way to becoming the best version of yourself. Keep pushing forward.